Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo of how to build a website for your pest control business quickly, easily using Mighty Sites. Mighty Sites is only $9 a month, and it's really easy if you're a small or local business owner to just pick a theme that works for you and quickly and easily create a simple, nice, professional website for your business. So if you own a pest control business, simply go in here and search for the pest control templates. There's two in here that you can pick from. So I'm just going to pick this first one here and see what this looks like. And I'm just going to go ahead and write in Keegan's Pest Control Service, located in Denver, Colorado. And then this is a service business. I'm going to click continue. And that's all I need to do to have a template generated for me. So you can see as soon as I did that, now the pest control service website template, which is a simple professional looking website template, that just got automatically generated for my business just by entering my business name and info. Now I can change colors over here. So if maybe the blue theme works better for me, or I want this more earthy theme, I can just select through and pick whichever color template I feel like best represents my business. So depending on how you brand your business, just pick the one that you like best. So I'll just stick with this maybe blue theme for now and click save. Now, all I need to do to update any of these sections is just simply click on update section, and I can go in here and I can add my social media links for my business, and then I can add my Facebook page. And as soon as I save my social links and close, you'll see that they show up right here in the header section. Now I can go over and add things like my phone number so I can get people to call me. And again, without me having to do any work or coding, that just shows up there. And then if I switch between colors, again, all those colors will change for me too and adjust. So now I've got my social media links, I've got my phone number, I can add my email if I want to have that too. So I can add my email, show my email on the site, click save, close. Now my contact information is really visible. I can update or add a logo too. So if you don't have a logo, going over to Canva is a really easy spot. You just kind of click on logo and you can create a logo. It's really cheap and easy to do. Let's just see if there's any pest control templates in here. Yeah, so there's actually, templates for a pest control business. So I could just go like this. And then let's just pest control business logo. So all I need to do, I'll save that, download it. So now instead of paying, expensive money for a logo, you can just make one in Canva really quick and easy, and then just download it. Then I'll upload that from my computer. Let's just see my downloads. Here's my logo I just created. And now I can click on this little pencil. So just so you can see, as soon as I save this, I'm going to have controls where I can make this bigger or I can make it smaller. And then this pencil gives me the ability to crop it too. So I definitely need to crop this down a little bit so it fits the screen a little better. So I'm going to just kind of go like this, crop this logo in like that. And then I've got tools too. I can filter it, fine tune it, change the colors, decorate, add frames. So there's all types of easy image and logo editing tools built into the platform. So as soon as I do that, just save my new logo, and there we go. Now I like that size and everything. It works a little bit better. So now my website's really starting to come together, as you can see. So I've got a logo, got the links. If I want, I can go in here and just update this residential and commercial pest control services. So I could just say, maybe I'll just add something like, and then below it says fast, reliable, and trustworthy for any pest or termite problems. So maybe I can even shorten that, just depending on how you want it to look. Maybe I'll add like a capital there. Fast, reliable, and trustworthy, residential and commercial pest control services. So I think that's really looks good and is clear for what I do. And then I can update this button here to be whatever I want. So let's just say that I put, call today. I can do that. And then I can choose a link, and I'll choose my phone number of where I want that to link to and click save. And so now when somebody comes to my website, residential and commercial pest control services, fast, reliable, and trustworthy. Call today. They click on that and it calls my business right away. I would go down here if I want to update any of this. So contact us, maybe I just want that to go to, on my website, go to the contact, the lead form section. So I'll just save that, save and close. So now if somebody clicks contact us, jumps them right down here to my lead form. I could also change that to email me, or I could have it go to call me, just whatever works for my business. This is the pest control business website template. So you see how easy it is if you want to type in any more information there to just save it, close. It's a really easy point and click editor. You can go down here and update any of your about information the same way. You can change out any and browse and upload a new image if you'd prefer of your business. You can do that with any of these images, and then you also have the opportunity to edit the image just by clicking on that little pencil too, whether it's an image or a logo that you upload. And then the really great part about this is it's meant to generate leads for your business too. So if I go right here and just type myself in, I'll show you what this looks like. Instead of having to use like a clunky, difficult to put together form or lead generation tool, I am in need of pest control services. So I can just type that in as if I'm somebody on the front end of your website. I'll get this little message as the customer. And then if I want, I can click on stop editing, go to the site dashboard. This is the dashboard you get, and you'll actually get an email when you get leads off your site. If I go click view leads, now I can click in here and contact anybody who comes to my website and is generated as a lead for my business. You can easily connect a custom domain. So if you have a domain for your business through Google Domains, GoDaddy, Domain.com, any of the popular ones, you simply type it in, save it, and it walks you through a really easy process for connecting your domain. You can update your social information or anything in the background here. Again, this is only $9 a month for everything that you're seeing included here. Once you're ready to go, your website's connected. You can always come back and make simple edits to this at any time. But it's really easy and really inexpensive to get up and running with a simple, professional, one-page website for $9 a month for your pest control business using Mighty Sites. Free trial for this, so check it out down below. Click to do the free trial. But you can really quickly and easily have a nice, professional website for your pest control business today, and you can launch it in just a few minutes using Mighty Sites.